Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Boscobel Drive towards Sunset View in Boscobel Heights, St. Mary Parish. Turning onto Sunset View, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to the hills of Boscobel. Sunset View ends and we are turning back towards Boscobel Drive. We are back at Boscobel Drive. Going left will take you to the hills of Boscobel, and going right will take you towards the Northern Coastal Highway. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.